thing. This is a Thatcher Oil Master furnace. This is what a lot of places on the East Coast used to heat their homes. What's that?
Are you talking to someone?
Oh, I'm shooting some video, yeah. Talking to the ghosts. Wow, so this house, this used to be packed with stuff. Man, so it's sold. I am. Look at this. Zoe, give us the tour. What do you think?
Well, we have the sun porch right here. And right now I'm going to be cutting this down because I want to take it and put it in my kitchen.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
You're just taking stuff, huh?
Yeah, well, no, because it's down to the nitty gritty.
It is. It's down to the nitty gritty.
So I'm cutting this so I can fit it in my kitchen.
Okay.
It's pretty big as it is.
Wow, I want to take something. I'm kidding.
Well, you can have one of those plants.
Oh, I can't take stuff like that. I'm just going to take like a piece of wood from the house. We have so many memories in here. Oh, this is what you meant by painting. So if this got painted, the inside of the house, this is gorgeous. Wow. Can you imagine when your mom and dad first bought this place? And this is where the Christmas tree used to be, or right here. Yeah.
Much space. This whole entire corner, he would get the biggest, bushiest tree you've ever seen.
He would. They were great trees. They were like so many ornaments.
Yeah.
I can hear your brother running up and down these steps. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God, the memories. Wow. Holy cow. I can't believe you guys are selling this house. Wow. Anyway, this is so nostalgia. I'm walking through memory lane here. There's a football game going on across the street at the high school. That's what you hear. Wow. Oh. Wow. I actually have, oh my gosh, I forgot about this. They have an attic. We were in the basement. They have an attic. The roof looks great. An extra place, has a lot of room in here. There's something that happened in high school in this room that I regret not happening. Totally my fault. I got shy, whatever. Put the pieces together on your own. Regrets. Yeah, you never know where that would have went. Wow. Very cool. Oh my God. This is so awesome. We might as well get a look at the front real quick. This is what, lock only this lock, okay? We got the, oh, they locked the other one. So here's the front of it. Dun, dun, dun. And the side porch. Wow. Oh man. Yeah, good times. Good times. Hola. Wow. Oh man.